Hello guys and welcome back. So let's talk about how we can enhance our AI. One thing we wanted to change is, of course, we don't want just to tell the AI, okay, where this is where the player is, go there, right? We wanted to be more smarter. We wanted to be able to see us and then move towards us, right? So that means I don't really want to set up the value here like right away, or even I don't want it to actually go move to a vector anymore. I wanted to move to a actual actor, right? Not a vector, but an actor. Basically, what move to the player, right? When the AI sees us. So I'm going to delete that one. Okay, I'm going to connect this over here. If you're not specifically want to use Blackboard right away, you can connect it here. You don't have to use Blackboard. When you run behavior trait, it's going to automatically use the behavior, the Blackboard associated with the behavior trait. As you can see, behavior trait does have a Blackboard asset specified. Okay, so that's a little change I want to make. Okay, and I don't even need all these, right? So let's talk about the perception system Unreal Engine have. You can give any AI controller or basically anything a AI perception. Just go add component and AI perception. This is just a component, so it can be attached to anything like a simple actor or whatever. But their official documentation recommended that you use this on a AI controller. Okay, so you have this AI perception now. You can select it. Okay, and you can see you can add many different ways of percepting stuff, like here underneath sensing configuration. You can add something like a site, for example. That's the most common one, right? Let's open that and open the sense. You can see you can set up some of the settings for the site. For example, the site radius, how far the enemy can see, right? This guard can see. So I'm going to change that to something lower, like 800 or even 600. Our arena is really small, so it's not that much of a space to move around. So that's the radius of the site, right? How far this AI can see. The loose set radius will be how far it's no longer going to be able to see you after seeing you. Okay, so if that's 700, so those two numbers means that if the AI never saw me before, or the AI already lost sight of me, and I move closer to the AI, and when I really move closer than 600 unit, that's when the AI can see me again. Okay, but when I try to run away, because the AI is already looking at us, when we're running away, the AI will still be able to see us a bit further because the AI is focusing on us. So we have to run 700 unit away to make so that the AI no longer sees us, right? So you have to run further. Anyway, so that's the two things. Preferable vision half angle degrade, meaning that how far the angle, how much of an angle the AI is seeing. 90 degree means the AI can see the front but not the back, and also 180 degree in front, basically everything in front. If we change that to 45 degrees, so it's only going to see, the AI will only going to see 90 degree in front of the face. Okay, so that's going to be what that value means. And detection by affiliation, that's going to be what the AI want to see, want to concern, what is concerning the AI, right? Detect enemies meaning the AI will only see their enemy. Neutral and friends will be the other two things, right? In Blueprint, there's no way you can specify different team IDs. There's a way in C++ you can inherit that interface to specify the team ID. But let's just turn those all on so that the AI will see everything. Okay, let's compile and save this. Now go back to the map. We can go ahead and play. And the AI is not doing anything yet because we deleted everything right in the AI controller. But we can hit the quotation mark button. You can see we're seeing a lot of stuff. This is going to be the debugging UI for the AI. You can see there is nav mesh and there's AI on the upper left corner. You can see AI and behavior trait is on, nav mesh is off. EQS, environment query system, which we will probably will be covering in later videos. perception is the perception. So we can hit the 4 button to turn on the perception. You can see now we're seeing even more stuff. Okay, so let's talk about those stuff. This green circle is actually the, let's see, the 600 unit from the enemy, okay, or the guard. Okay, so this is that range, the viewing range. The purple one is that 700 unit away. That's the losing side radius. Okay, so that's the 2 radius. And you see like there is an angle in front of the enemy. That's the peripheral angle. Okay, and we set that up to 45 degrees, so he can see 45 degrees to the left and 45 degrees to the right. So totally it's like a 90-degree angle. That's where the AI can see, and that's why the AI is actually not seeing us yet. But when we actually run into that angle, you can see there is a green sphere indicating that the AI sees us, and it's gonna always update when the AI keeps seeing us. You can see its sight, right? And there is an age. This age is gonna be how long the AI loses the perception of you. Okay, so if we run away, you can see that age starts to change, right? So it's like 3-4 seconds. So that's how long the AI loses sight of us. And you can also see that sphere never updates anymore because the AI never saw us and never see us. Okay. Once you can also try moving towards the enemy from the front. You can see when we are when we are inside of that 700, the AI still not seeing us. But when we run really into that green area, that's when the green circle, that's when the AI can see us, right? But when I run away, he's still seeing us, even I'm outside of that 600 units. He will lose sight of us if I run out of this 700 purple circle. Okay, so that's what those 2 values means. All right, so this is going to be basically what the perception is, and we have that information now. Okay, so how can we use that information? Back here to the AI controller, underneath the AI perception, we can go down here and take a look at the events. So there are many events the AI can do on perception update and on target perception update. You can take a look at both. What they do is basically they will all update when the perception has changed, but they're going to give you different information. This update actor is more oriented to talk about what actor has changed in the perception, right? And this guy is more like there isn't perception, and that's the actor I just perceived. So those are 4 different things, but they will all be updated. If I do a print, you will see both things will print. So they will all be called, but they're just focused on different events. This one again is for all the actors that has been changed, all the actors we have newly seen or we have lost sense of. This one is more like, okay, there's an actor, right? That's I saw a new actor, or I lose sight of an actor, right? Let's focus on that one. Anyway, so now if I go ahead and play, you can see when I run towards the enemy, you can see both hello gets printed, or the guard rather. So I'm more focusing on the actor here, so I'm going to use this one instead of the other one. And so now we have an actor, right? We have an actor, and we just need to actually tell the blackboard, okay, there's an actor we see. So let's go to the blackboard, and I'm going to delete that, move to location. Let me create a new object type of keys, and I'm going to call this guy let's call it focus actor. That's the actor we want to focus on, right? And then key type will be an object, but the class type will be an actor. Okay, save that because it can be other objects, but we're focusing on a actor that can be placed in the word. Okay, all right. So now the blackboard knows there is a focus actor. Let's update it with this event. Oops. Within the AI card. With this event, we can update that. So let's say set black. Can get the blackboard first, right? Get blackboard, and let's set value, but this time it's going to be an object. So set value as object. The object, of course, will be the actor we just sensed. The key name again will be, let's type in make literal name. The name again will be the name of our new Blackboard key. Okay, so it's going to be this focus actor. All right, back to the, let me just dock it here. Back to the AC guard, and we can paste in the name. Okay, so now when the AI sees us with this AI perception, this is going to be triggered, and this actor, which will be us, will be used to update a value in the Blackboard, which is focus actor. Now let's move on to the behavior tree and say, let's move to that focus actor. Okay, save that. All right. Now if I go ahead and play, the AI will not do anything, but let's turn on the perception. When I run towards the visible area of the AI, and you can see, oh, it's still not doing that. Let's take a look at why. Oh, that's because, right? The AI is trying to move to the focus actor, right? Let's actually check this over here. Let's take a look at the, you can actually debug it by looking at the editor here. So when I run into the location, you can see the focus actor doesn't really update. That's actually not what I am expecting. Let's take a look at why the focus actor is the actor base class, and we're doing that in the AI, hopefully. Oh, we never really ran this. That's why, so it's gonna be here actually. Rookie mistake. Anyway, so let's compile and then go ahead and do this again, and let's take a look at what we, if the AI sees us, does see us, and now you can see the AI runs towards us. Okay, you can try to run away, but that's going to be a little difficult. Oh, it doesn't really gonna be working. Even when we run away from the AI still knows that, you know, AI still knows what this focus actor is, right? So even when the AI loses sight of us, there's no way we tell the AI to forget about us. That's not automatic, of course, because we're updating the behavior trait in the AI controller, but we never really have any mechanic to tell the Blackboard to forget about the actor. Okay, and I think this is a good breakpoint, and we're going to stop this video and moving on to the next. I can show you how we can make the AI forget us when I run away. Okay, see you next time.